Hi everyone, today I'm kind of bit excited because exactly 4 weeks and 2 days ago I put under butter a lovely piece of Wagyu ribeye full blood M7, and I tried to do an experiment, kind of butter age. This is the surprise. As you can see, I also put on top the date 24th of October. So now it's a moment to check if I've done something stupid, ruining a lovely piece of meat, or I've done something great. As you can see, I just make a few holes down to let the extra blood get out from the butter. Now it's a moment to see what's going to happen. I'm really curious. And voila. Wait, let me see. You wanna see? And voila. The meat I can see is pretty solid. Smell. Yes, pretty strong smell. If you can see very well, the meat here looks like the texture of the muscle. It's been kind of open. I believe it's been tenderized pretty much. But by the way, let's cut one steak, let's cook. The only way to try is this one. So here we go. We're going to cut at least a 300-gram steak. This butter around we're going to use also for the cooking. Look at this. Look at this. The butter we just remove around. In this case, we don't need to clean up or cut around, because if you can see, it's not that dry, it's not that dark, it's not that black. The meat looks fabulous. And a kind of very strong smell. I'm really curious what to try. First of all, we're gonna to save this butter because we will need during the cooking. That's it. Then we're going to season our meat. This looks really fucking amazing. Oh my god. We just put rock salt. Make sure it's going to be inside very well. That is an Italian rock salt here. Okay, no? Then we put a bit of black pepper. In this case, we don't need to use olive oil for the simple fact that the meat is pretty fatty, as you can see. And at the same time, we have a butter from the seasoning. Oh my god, I'm kind of excited to cook this today, really, seriously. Okay. Let's see. Follow me. Follow me. Hello. Here I put on the fire an iron pan, very heavy. If you can see, it's already smoking the pan. It's pretty hot. for this kind of preparation must be really hot. So what we're gonna do now, just we let this lovely meat get sun. Wow. 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 I wish from the video I can transfer you the smell, the flavor of this meat. Because it's something really, really amazing. Wow. You can see very well around the fat, the natural fat is starting to get out from the meat. Wow. Seriously, I'm curious to see what's going to happen today with this kind of meat. So we're gonna to turn back. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look what we have here. That's amazing. Can you see all the fat around here? You must check by your eyes because it's really fatty. Look, that's all natural fat. So in this moment what I suggest is we are gonna to add the butter we use for cooking, the fresh rosemary, dry sage, and 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna just to put down here, to put the rosemary, sage, garlic. And now slowly we're gonna to dress the meat. It is amazing butter. I'm seriously kind of excited. I was so scared I'm gonna to ruin this piece of meat and in the end it's surprising me, yes. Like this we had the dry age but without get too many wastage, as we just keep the meat clean around. Wow. Really I wish you can feel the flavor I'm having here right now. Wow. So after this, we're going to take this lovely, amazing piece of baby. Just make sure around. And we let him rest here. Now let him rest at least 5 to 7 minutes. Okay? So I'll see you later. Bye bye. So here we are with our Wagyu ribeye butter age, and it's a moment. From the testing, I can say it should be medium rare. Should be. I personally like medium rare ribeye. Maybe someone like well done or something. It's not my problem. So Wow. I don't even need to make a pressure with the knife because it's going down alone. Wow, wow. Seriously, you must be here to check the flavor of this meat. Wow. In this case, when the ribeye is kind of medium rare, the fat is not really crunchy supposed to be, but in this case we can avoid to eat it. So let's try. What do you think? Yeah, the flavor is pretty strong. I can say it looks like a cheese after aged many months. Ouch. I have to say that, wow. And from BF Studio Cucina, Shanghai, that is everything for today. See you next time.